Here we have the new HandiFoam open cell kit. This kit is for small areas and for repair. It is actually 40 board feet. It's open cell. It's going to be a heavier open cell. It is slow reacting. To take the kit apart, grab the gun, pull the gun out, bring the hose out from the gun, open this up. Now you have 2 tips that come with it. And then inside you have 2 canisters. You need to push the top down and turn it. You'll see an arrow on the top right here. So I need to push that down and turn it. This activates it. We already shook it. We'll tend to shake it a little bit more. We want to pull these all the way out. There's a gap right here. I can put the kit back together then. And we're going to go ahead and shake it a little bit more. The next thing we want to do is to purge the 2 lines. Then we can put a tip on. All we're looking for is 2 streams coming out on both sides. Now we install the tip and we are ready to spray. So we want to be away from the surface. This is an open cell foam, so we don't have to use a whole lot. He's putting a nice even amount on there. This is great for when electricians or someone has come and taken part of the foam out and you've got to go in and do a repair. That's really what the kit's designed for. These aren't for insulating as much as being able to do a repair on a wall. So as you can see, when this was installed, we had maybe a 1/4 inch of foam. Not quite ready to do it, but I want to get a depth on it. As you can see, we have 3 inches of the foam from what we put on. We have nice cells. It's a good open cell product. So it's just a great product for you to use for doing repairs. And you don't have to fire up your rig in order to go do something where someone has taken part of your foam out and you need to go back and touch that up. If you have questions on this or any of the other products we sell at IDI, please reach out to your local branch or any of us at IDI, where we look forward to earning your business every day.